Hi there, meet the Shintenchi Small Sectional Couch with Ottoman, perfect for small spaces and apartments. This 3-seat L-shaped sofa combines single and double seats to save space and add style. Upholstered in durable, modern linen fabric with a sturdy hardwood frame, it offers firm and comfortable cushions for daily use. The movable ottoman lets you customize the chaise lounge on either side, giving you versatile seating options. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, it fits beautifully in compact areas without sacrificing comfort. Assembly is quick and tool-free, with easy instructions that anyone can follow. Upgrade your space with this stylish, functional sectional sofa designed for small living. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.